Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I have a very special guest and she is no other than Miss Rita Gaviola, also known as Badjaw Girl. So she asked me to do her graduation makeup, and if you wanna know more how I did her makeup, please keep on watching. First, I put her contact lenses in the shade Pattaya Brown. This is from iShare PH. Next, I'm going to cleanse her face to remove excess oil and dirt using Nivea Miscellar Water Fair and Glow Cleanser. Then, I'm going to shape her eyebrows. Here, I'm using Kimuse Ultra Slim Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 01 Dark Gray. Now, I'm applying MAC Studio Fix Mattifine Shine and Control Primer to minimize the appearance of pores and to make her makeup last longer. For her foundation, I will use Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the shade number 6 Warm. Then I add concealer to her eyelids and under eye area. Here I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige and Peach Corrector. I just mix them together to color correct and cover her dark circles. Now, I'm blending everything together using a damp blender sponge to even out the application of the foundation and to remove any excess products. Next, I'm adding Rare Beauty Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Happy. This is one of my favorite blush shade. It fits any kind of skin tone and look, it's so beautiful. I will also add a layer of silicone airbrush foundation for more coverage and flawless look. I am using Oppulent airbrush foundation and this is a local brand. I love the performance of this foundation and it's more affordable. Plus, you can easily order online and it's nice to support local products. Next, I'm going to set her makeup using loose powder. Here, I'm using Dr. Sensitive Loose Powder in the shade Natural. For the eyebrows, first, I will make an outline using Kimuse Ultra Slim Eyebrow Pencil. And by using a spoolie, I will brush up the eyebrows and blend the outline I made earlier to make it look softer. Next, I will add eyebrow gel from Say's Lady. I'm using the shade Dark Brown. I like to start shading at the middle going outwards. Also, be careful when using this product because a little goes a long way. And now, I'm going to set her eyebrows for a more natural and feathered look. I am using Got2b spiking glue. This is waterproof and it will last all day long. To add more definition, I will draw a hair-like strokes. Here, I am using Strokes Microblade Pen Perfector in the shade Bauxite. For the eyeshadow, I am using Morphe James Charles eyeshadow palette. I used this dusty pink shade as my base eyeshadow color. Next is this brown color as the transition shade and I will just apply it on the outer corner of her eyes. Using the same color, I will also apply on the outer corner of her lower lash line. Next, I will add shimmer using this shade from Roto eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm going to tightline her eyes using this Revlon Colorstay Black Eyeliner. I also add a small wing on her eyes using brown LA Girl gel eyeliner. Now it's time to curl her lashes and add mascara. I used O2O waterproof mascara. This mascara has a volumizing, curling, and lengthening effect, and it's also smudge proof. Next, I will add false eyelashes. Here I am using my favorite Jofren Natural looking pixie lashes. Now it's time for the highlight and contour. Here I'm using FS Contour Palette to add scalp and dimension to her face. I also add white eyeliner from Vice Cosmetics. This will make her eyes look brighter and more awake. For a bit of sparkle and dewy effect, I will add some highlighters. Here I am using my favorite Dior highlighter palette in the shade 001 Universal. More blush. Lipstick from Maybeline Vinyl Lipstick in the shade Saucy. And here's the final lip. That's all guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!